Greetings to our lecturer, Sir Afiq. We will present about the electrical discharge manufacturing. Our group consists of me, Giovanni John Genial, Rizwan bin Tamrin, Muhammad Yusuf bin Basri, and Nur Aimi Ariana binti Abdul Sham.
My name is Muhammad Yusuf bin Basri and I will explain the introduction of electrical discharge machining. First of all, what is EDM? Electrical discharge machine, EDM, or known as spark machining, spark eroding or wire erosion, is a non-traditional metal fabrication process where a desired shape is obtained by using electrical discharge instead of mechanical force. Electrical discharge machining can be divided into three types of EDM, which is die sinking EDM, wire EDM, and hole drilling EDM.
My name is Giovanni John Genial. I will explain about the advantage and disadvantage of electrical discharge manufacturing, or known only as EDM. The advantage of electrical discharge manufacturing is it has the ability to machine complex shape that would be difficult to do with conventional cutting tools. The meaning of this sentence is by using EDM, it is more easier to cut hard material without damaging the part of material. The second point is the machining of extremely hard material to a very close tolerance. What I'm trying to convey is the EDM is suitable for shaping a very hard material. The third point is very small workpiece can be machined where the conventional cutting tools may damage the part from excess cutting tool pressure. The meaning of this point is EDM can shape a very small workpiece without damaging the material while using conventional tool that may damage the part of material. Next, I will explain about the disadvantage of electrical discharge manufacturing. The first point, it is difficult finding an expert machinist. Why I'm pointing this because it needs a lot of skills and ability to operate the machine, and also need to choose carefully the machinist since the EDM machine is highly costly. The second point is the slow rate of material removal. The additional time and cost used for creating electrode for RAM EDM, reproducing sharp corner on the workpiece is difficult due to electrode wear. And lastly, the potential of fire hazard associated with use of combustible oil-based electric. This can lead to unintended accident or harm to workers. That's all for me. Thank you.
So for the application of the EDM, which is electrical discharge machining, will be led by me. My name is Nur Aimi Ariana binti Abdul Sham, number matric 07DTP20F1021. So for the EDM process is most widely used by the mold making, tool, and the die industries. But it is also has becoming a common method of making prototype and production parts, especially in the aerospace, automobile, and electronic industries in which production quantities are relatively low. For example, the application of the EDM, which is cleavage, die making, which is making the jewelry, blanking punches and extrusion dies, and producing internal struts.
Next is the characteristic of electrical discharge machining. The machining of EDM is varied. It is to explore the effect of electrical discharge on the machining characteristic. The example of the parameter is material removal rate (MRR), electrode wear rate (EWR), and the material surface roughness. Other than that, things like electrical discharge energy on heat effect layers, surface cracks, and machining debris are also determined.
My name is Rizwan bin Tamrin from DTP4A, number matric 07DTP20F1002. So today I will explain about the EDM process. In EDM, the first tool and width P is clamped to the machine. After that, With the help of a servo mechanism, a small gap of human hair is maintained in between the tools and workpiece. The tools and workpiece is immersed in the electric medium, kerosene and deionized water. A potential difference is applied across the electrode and electric spark generated in between the tools and workpiece. This spark generates a heat of about 10,000 degrees Celsius, and due to this heat, the material from the workpiece starts to vaporize and melt. The spark generation in electrical discharge machining is not continuous, as the voltage breaks the electric fluid flush away the molten materials, leaving behind a crater. This process keeps continue and machine the workpiece.